Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a collaborator on your YouTube channel so they can help manage your content. First, go to the YouTube Studio website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your channel. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Settings, then go to Permissions. Here, tap on Invite in the top right corner. Type in the email address of the person you want to add. Next, select the role you want them to have. There are multiple options, but for this example, I'll choose Manager. Click Done and then Save Changes. Now let's switch to the mobile side. Open the Gmail app on your phone. You'll see the invitation email from YouTube. Simply accept the invitation, and they're now added as a collaborator on your channel. And that's it! Your collaborator can now help manage your channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials.